For years, big tech have had a superpower. If something wrong, bad, or illegal happened on their platform, they could just say, hey, don't blame us, we did not write that, a user did, we just the facilitator. And legally, it actually worked. But a landmark court case out of Munich, Germany just changed the rules of internet forever. It is very interesting to see how this unfolds. A Munich court has ruled that Google is responsible for any hallucinations or wrong information generated within AI overviews. Here is what happened. Two publishers based out of Munich, Germany, looked themselves up on Google, and the Google's new AI overviews explicitly called them out for being fraudulent and running subscription traps. But here is the twist. They did not do any of that, of what they were accused of. And surprisingly, the links that AI overviews had cited did not contain any such information. So AI overviews had completely hallucinated. It had mixed up information present on Google and presented it in a way where it said that these publishers were actually scamsters. Google's defense was predictable. They said in court that, hey, look at the box. We have explicitly mentioned that AI can make mistakes and the onus lies on the user to actually check the link and verify the facts presented in AI overviews. However, this did not hold in favor of Google in the German court. The court has delivered a brutal reality check to the tech industry. It is saying that Google is no longer passively publishing a collection of blue links. It is actually rewriting, summarizing, and synthesizing an answer. So it becomes the publisher of the new content. Hence, the onus of the new content published lies with Google. A precedent has been set. Let's take an example. If there is a web page A talking about a certain company doing a scam, and there is a web page B that actually talks about your company, and AI links the two pages and whips up an answer that says that your company is the one doing the scam, then the responsibility is of the company whose AI system is actually whipping up that answer. So in this case, Google is being held responsible for producing the wrong content. The court said that having a warning label in the box does not give you the right to actually say something derogatory or defamatory about a person or a brand. Google is at the end of the day making profits off of their AI systems. So they're also responsible for its hallucinations. This has raised a massive question for the tech industry. Who is responsible when AI lies or hallucinates? Is it the AI system which is hallucinating, or it is the messy web data on which it is getting trained? This case has officially turned attention toward LLM platforms. If you build a machine that is printing falsehood at large scale, you're also responsible for its output. The ripple effects of this case are going to be massive. The AI companies will be forced to change their technical architecture from engineering standpoint just to avoid legal liabilities, which they should, of course. But yes, this is going to be a massive governance led turnover. What are some of the changes that we can expect? Now, AI overviews and other LLMs have been factually assertive in their statements till now. So we can expect them to shift the onus to the publisher of information and start using phrases like according to some sources. That's one. Secondly, the change could be that AI systems will stop publishing information related to medical advice, legal advice, financial advice, something that can have a legal impact in the long run. The shield of AI made me do it is slowly cracking away. If companies are deploying AI at scale, they also have to be ready to legally defend it. What do you think?